Ladies and gentlemen, a new pre-release is out for Minecraft Java Edition 1.13. Here is Minecraft 1.13 Pre-Release 3. As you would expect, getting this close to release, this one is mostly about bug fixing. My name is slicedlime, let me take you on a tour through the bug fixes in this version. Let's start with gameplay. The hitbox of blocks that were waterlogged, that is to say blocks inside of water, was always a full block. That has been fixed in this version. Also, waterlogged blocks that had flowing water in them did not move entities correctly, and flowing water could freeze in frozen biomes. Those are fixed in this version. Grass, ferns, and cobweb blocks did not show up on maps. That's fixed in this version. If you placed a boat on water, then it would immediately sink. Fixed in this version. And squids, fish, and dolphins that ended up on land did not suffocate. That's also fixed. Desert version rabbits didn't spawn in deserts anymore. That's fixed in this version. If you went exploring in the end and found a gateway, then using that gateway would not properly return you to the center end island. That's fixed in this version. And a couple of fixes to carpet. Water did not destroy carpet properly, and mobs could get stuck on top of it. Both of those fixed in this version. A couple of fixes for redstone. Dispensers filled with bone meal didn't properly create seagrass. That's fixed in this one. And if you moved an observer, it could get moved in the on state, powering the block that it was moved to rather than the off state that it used to be. That's also been changed back to the way it used to behave. And for one more world generation fix, nether caves under lava oceans didn't fill up with lava properly. That's also fixed in this one. For sound fixes, this version contains another fix for a bug that was marked as fixed before. That is the bug where multiple background tracks, multiple songs of the music would play at once. Let's hope that that's fixed in this one now, because it's marked as fixed again. Also, there was no sound of the rain when you were on the ocean, and that's also connected to a visual fix. There was no rain splash particles appearing on the surface of the water anymore. Speaking of water, in Swamp Hills, the mutated swampland biome, the water had the wrong color. Side of water and the lava blocks weren't rendered when they were besides non-full height blocks, and baby horses had really long necks. Some world upgrade fixes of course as well. Advancements and recipes didn't get upgraded properly in the later snapshots. That's fixed in this one. And scores and scoreboard objectives that were created with old stats would cause changes to those scoreboards to not get written down to the scoreboard.dat file at all. And the statistics for terracotta, for spawn eggs, and for entities got lost when you upgraded a world. All of those fixed in this version. Couple of UI fixes as well. If you switch on full screen, then you would turn off VSync mode. That's fixed in this one. And if you changed full screen or window size, then a lot of the text boxes or chat or scroll bars would revert to their default state. Command fixes in this one as well. If you put a command into a command block and ran it, then the success count of that command block would have the result return value of the command instead of the success value. That's fixed in this one. Nested /execute commands would only be able to store success and result values once. That's fixed in this version. And another fix that was listed before, but here's another stab at it. Custom villagers would request tools that had no damage provided, specifically have the value damage 0, which was not always the case. And if you put an entity tag in for a spawn egg, then that did not work properly. Let's round off with some fixes for data packs and resource packs as well. The folders under the textures folder in the resource packs are now singular. That is to say block and item instead of blocks and items. So if you're making a resource pack, then make sure that you update the names of those and the paths to them inside of block models. The damage predicate has been reversed. It used to be that 0.6 meant 60% broken, but 0.6 now means 60% durability remains. And the Minecraft exploration _map loot table function could only be used on block containers, and that has been fixed. In addition to that, a number of crash fixes in this version. If you want to try this one out, then go into your Minecraft launcher, go into the launch options tab and enable snapshots. Now go back to the news tab, where now you'll have a drop down box with a latest snapshot profile inside of it. Select that, start the game, and you'll be playing the latest snapshot or pre-release version, which is currently this one, Minecraft 1.13 Pre-Release 3. Do keep in mind that pre-releases are less well tested, can crash or corrupt your world, so make sure you have a backup of your world when you try it, or try it on a separate test world. That was all from me for this time. My name is slicedlime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.